Hello everyone and welcome to the VibeHub tutorial guide on how to withdraw NEO and NEOGas back to your NEO 03 wallet. So the first thing you want to do is head to our website, VibeHub.io. In the top right corner here, you're going to want to log in. And you see all your balances here with your Vibe, Ethereum, BNB, NEO, and gas balances. And you want to select on NEO to withdraw NEO back to your 03 wallet. So you select NEO. And you want to connect to your 03 NEO. You'll see a notification come up on your screen to connect. You won't see it on my screen, but you'll see it on yours, and you'll select connect. And now you'll see your balance in your 03 wallet here on the left-hand side of your screen. So once you have that done, you select withdraw, and you enter the amount of NEO you want to withdraw from your VibeHub account back to your 03 wallet. So in this example, we'll use 1 NEO, and you select withdraw. You'll see a notification pop up on your screen to approve the transaction, and you select approve. You won't see it on my screen, but you'll see it on yours. You select approve. And then you'll be asked to submit a approval code. So you'll see a notification here, successfully initiated withdraw. Please go to your email. So you go to your email. The email will be called withdraw requested from VibeHub. You'll select that withdraw code, and you go back. And you paste that withdrawal code in here. And you select this little icon. And you'll see successfully verified request. Your request is now processing. You go back to your NEO balance and you'll see your NEO balance has been moved. 1 NEO has been moved from your NEO balance on your VibeHub account to your NEO balance on your 03 wallet. So very simple process, and it works the exact same for NEOGas. So we can sort down here, we'll see you select gas, and then select withdraw. So your amount to withdraw here, we'll select 10, select withdraw, and you want to select on approve. So it says successfully initiated withdraw. Please confirm in your email to continue. Now you go to your email address that you use to sign up for your VibeHub account. You'll see a email from us saying withdraw requested on VibeHub. And you'll see a code here. You select that code. You copy it. Now you paste it in here. And then you select this icon here. And you'll see a notification pop up. Successfully verified request. Your request is now processing. Click on the top right corner, you go back to your gas balance, and you'll see here your gas has been successfully moved from your VibeHub account back onto your NEO 03 wallet. So a pretty simple process here, guys. You can also scroll down and you'll see all your deposits, withdraws, all your transactions made playing Vibe or Die or any other games here in your transaction history. And yeah, tried to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So that's it for this tutorial video on how to withdraw NEO or NEOGas back onto your 03 wallet so you can move to exchanges or store it on there, anything like that. If you guys have any questions, any comments, we will have a link in the description box below to our Telegram support channel so you guys have instant messaging with us. And we'll also have a link for you guys on a complete tutorial guide on all of our tutorial videos. So if you guys have any questions with Vibe or Die, how to download and install it, how to play it, how to fund your account with NEO or NEOGas or any other ERC20 tokens, all of our tutorials will be in there. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and we'll be seeing you all again soon.